Well, the idea when we moved here was to bring light into the house. It was very dark. And so we opened up 3 rooms here, put glass doors on the way into the room, and the big 3.5 metre patio doors so that you can step out into the garden, or you can open the door and the garden comes into this room. And this is the room actually that we use the most. It's turned out exactly how we wanted it, and we sit in here all day basically. We only ever go through to the sitting room at night because we get sun here all day, and it's just brilliant actually. Love it, love it. Best move we ever made. Well, we've got all the new windows and doors because we moved into this house and it was all very old wooden windows, but the profiles were really, really deep and it was quite dark. So we've made quite a lot of changes, big patio doors behind us, and just really to introduce a lot of light into the house. And I liked C.R. Smith. The profile on the windows is nice and small, so lots of glass, not much profile, and got my lovely new grey door. It's like night and day. Just wanted to be different because all the other doors on the street are white, and putting in the nice long side light and the grey door, and it just sets off the house lovely. The installation went really well. 2 nice guys came in and they just basically got on with it very quickly, I have to say. Quicker than they said. I think they said it would be 3-4 days, and it actually was only more like 2.5. And they cleaned up after them, even in spite of the fact that the whole house was like a building site. They did clean up at after they finished each day. So I just wouldn't go to anybody else, to be honest. I know that other people in the street have used other companies, but I don't think any of them compare with what we've got here. The quality and everything. C.R. Smith has been mentioned to everybody because most people say, "Oh, where did you get your windows and doors?" Especially the door. That grey door has been a big hit.